Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix SFC/Scannow found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type PowerShell, click and open it. Copy the command from description and paste it. Click enter. Wait for some time. After completion, exit. Go to Windows search bar again. Type cmd. Copy the command from description and paste it. Click enter. Wait till the verification is completed. After completion, restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.